Hi, seller support. No, please don't put me on hold.
Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays!
Merry Christmas, my Amazon guy.
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 Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Hi! Merry Christmas, Meg!
All is calm and all is bright. Unless you're a seller on Amazon, then all is not calm. Which is why this Christmas, we are wishing for a functional seller support.
I don't want a lot for Christmas. There is just one thing I need. Don't care about the presents underneath the Christmas tree. I don't need to hang my stocking there up on the fireplace. Santa Claus will make me happy with a toy on Christmas Day. I just want you for my own, more than you could ever know. Make my wish come true. All I want for Christmas is
Functional Amazon seller support. Functional Amazon seller support.
Functional seller support.
Functional Amazon seller support, please.
Oh, hi, Steven. I just wanted to say happy seller support holidays to you and the rest of the MAG team. And I will talk to you next year. Wait. No, don't transfer me.